Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram story music feature not available or showing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store and search your Instagram. And the first step is you need to update your Instagram. Once you update, you simply need to go back and open settings. In settings, you simply need to go onto the app management and click on app list and search your Instagram and open Instagram, and here you need to click on storage and cache, and then you need to click clear cache and clear storage. Once you complete this step also, then you need to go back and open Instagram and click on your story and click on camera, and here you need to click on any story randomly and click on the sticker icon in the top, and here you need to click on music, or you can search here music. So you can see that the music option is showing, and here you can see all the music, and you can browse different music according to your choice, and you can add that music in your story. So this is the process by which you can fix Instagram story music feature not available or showing. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.